This literature kit on Wonder by R.J. Palacio shows the importance of inclusion and acceptance. Discover the truth behind the saying, "Never judge a book by its cover," with this tale about identity. 55 pages chock full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Analyze details from the text to explain why Auggie changes his mind about going to school. Demonstrate understanding by describing Auggie's experience in the cafeteria on the first day of school. Evaluate the characters by offering explanations to their actions. Put events in the order that they happened when Jack and Auggie became friends. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Students use their reviews along with a blurb of the book to create a new version of the back cover. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Explain an event in the story from 2 different point of views. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.